try something that I watched Jessica Winterstrom do just this morning. I think it's a video that might be a couple weeks old, but it's when I saw it, where she blocked out her colors and she used colors together that I hadn't thought about using. So I'm going to try the same thing, or I'm going to try the same concept and see what I come up with. I'm going to flood this out so that the whole surface is wet, and then I'm going to put my color down in the middle. I'll put you on music, and as always, as lately, my colors will be down in the description. And if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. I love answering questions. So let's get right to it. I could really use your help, and here's a few ways. Watch this video all the way through. Like and share. Leave a comment. And finally, subscribe. You're really going to want to stick around to the end. This one comes out pretty awesome. take a second. This right here, that's the center of my canvas. And if I spin it out from this point, that's going to only expand and become this big old blob in the middle. So I need to do something with it. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little bit more scoop and dragging, and maybe just put down a little bit more cell activator. Now the thing is with cell activator, if once your piece has already started to move, you put down cell activator, that is going to move less, and so it's going to be a different formation of cells. So that's the danger and possibly the making of the piece. So have to be very careful. I've got a lot of negative space on this side. I'm not sure what to do with. I'd like to take it off the side. It's certainly going to go off the side. I've got most of it down here, and that was by design. I might just live with it and see what it comes out with. I'm going to take care of that now. So I just wanted to explain what I was doing. Back to your music. Let's talk about this. I'm not unhappy. I did get some beautiful color play, and my cells, they kind of did what I wanted to. They got a little wonky in places, but I'm okay with that because it's what I'm doing. So let's go down and take a closer look. The focus of this one is that new color. I have the yellow gold. That's by TriArt. and that's what that is. It's kind of supposed to be the replacement for Nickel Azo Gold. Over here is a combination of two colors, the main color being the Southern Ocean blue, but the other one, I'm going to have to frankly look up the colors. This darker blue, it has a lot of shimmer and a lot of shine, but I'm not entirely sure what it was. I'm going to have to go back and look in my logs. So this, as far as those little dipsy doodles there, I really kind of like those. That's a Jessica thing, so you have to go watch Jessica if you're interested. So that's this one for now, and I'll show you the slow and easy Passover. Okay, this has been Thursday Train. Up next is going to be just Janice, and followed by Kelly from Feral Art in for Julie E. Julie will probably be back next week, and we look forward to her return. So, I want to thank you very much for being here today, and I hope that you got something out of this. So until next time, bye for now.